Okay, so hello guys. Today I'll be teaching you guys the ladder mate or two rook mate, but it can also work with queen and rook and queen obviously. So let's start. So this position was provided by chess.com and I'm going to show you. So you can go here, rook e2. I think this is one of the most fastest ways. And then if your king goes here, go rook d1, and then your king goes to c5, and then your rook goes to c2, and then the king goes to b4, and the rook goes to b1, and then the king goes here. So what should we do? We can't go to rook a2 or else it take our rook, and then we have to do the single rook checkmate, which I already showed you guys a video about the failure. So the best move here is probably go to winning move here, rook b8 or rook b7, and then now if the king wants to go up here, we just go up here again, and then the king goes to king a5. They can even catch up, but sadly, it's already over. So let's do some practice positions. Whoops. Okay, so this position, what should you do? So, white should probably go here. And then the black king has to go here. So, you guys figure out how to do this. You can write down the notation in the comments below. Okay, so the answer is queen d5, king g6, rook b6, king f7, rook d7, e8, king e8. Then you move here, king h7, and then king f8, and then it's mate. But there's a multiple notation, so like you can write down one of them. And then let's show you another position. And this time we'll add some pieces. Hopefully it won't affect anything though. So now the positions like this. It's now so black goes here. What should white do? Write your notes in the comments. Notation. If you can write one of them because there's a lot. So the best move here is here, and then the king has to go down here. So then we take our chance, rook e8, and then if the king goes here, just go down, and then if the king wants to go down, you can just don't care about a knight. Your pony will be dead, but you still win. Yeah, but of course black doesn't have to play that. He can also try to catch up, but that won't make a difference unless you just have to get up there. Just kind of inconvenient. And then, even though the pawn is blocking it, you don't need to care. Just move it. What's wrong with that? The king can even go to the b file. So, king a4, and then mate. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys can subscribe and